Did you know that most healthcare self-contamination happens while removing PPE? It's not just about putting it on, it's about taking it off safely. So today I'll be walking you all through the proper steps to keep you and your patient protected. Welcome back to TopPoint Healthcare Training Hub, your go-to resources for mastering clinical skills. My name is Linda, and today I'll be breaking down one of the most critical skills for my healthcare providers, which is PPE donning and doffing. PPE is also known as personal protective equipment. So whether you're preparing for your CNA board exam or you just want to ensure that you're following the latest protocol in the field, getting this sequence right is vital to protect cross-contamination and also to protect you and your patient. So in this video, I'll be showing you specific order that you have to follow in putting on your gown, your mask, your goggles, and your gloves. Come with me to the lab. So the first thing we do when we come in is put on your hand sanitizer, which is also performing hand hygiene. And then we're going to put on our gown. Your thumb goes into the loop. And you tie. Next, we're going to put on the mask. And we're going to put on the goggles and gloves. Always make sure that your gloves go over your gown. And this is how we put on the right way. So when you have your PPE, taking it off is a very crucial step. So I'll walk you guys through the steps of taking off your PPE. First, we're going to take off our gloves and make sure you're taking off your gloves the right way. The right way is you pinch inside out, 2 fingers inside out, and that goes on the trash. The next thing we're going to do is take out our goggles. And next is going to be your mask. Next is going to be our gown. So while you're doing this, make sure your hand don't touch the front of your gown because this is already contaminated. So we're going to make sure this is out. Pick it out from the neck. And we're all going to go inside out. Wrap. And we're going to throw that away. When you're done, you sanitize your hands or you perform hand hygiene, which is using soap and water to wash your hands. So I hope you all were able to learn how to don your PPE and how to doff your PPE. All PPE does not require you to put on a gown, glove, mask, and goggles. In this video, I'll show you how to put on just a mask and your gloves, and we're going to be putting on the N95 mask, which is different from the mask we used earlier. So once you come in, always make sure you perform your hand hygiene. You pick up your mask, put that through your nose, and we're going to put the top elastic first. So we're going to put the top first. And then we're going to put on the second one. Always make sure it's sealed and no air is coming in. So this is what is called the N95 mask. For N95, you make sure there is no air coming in or out. So when you're done with that, you also go ahead and put on your gloves. And we're ready to go in to go take care of a patient. Once we come out, What you do, you take your gloves out. This time, the front of your mask is contaminated, but this side of your mask is not contaminated. So make sure you don't touch the front of your mask, okay? We're gonna take this out in this, and then we throw that away. Next, sanitize your hand or perform hand hygiene using soap and water.